Hi everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to install the Tor browser in Kali Linux using the terminal. So let's start. The Tor browser is a web browser that anonymizes your web traffic using the Tor network, making it easy to protect your identity online. Tor is an open network of servers run by volunteers that are guided by the non-profit Tor project. Tor browser is available for Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and also available to Android phones. You can download the Tor browser by clicking on Download for Linux. Now here you have to save the file, and then extract the downloaded tar file. But here I am canceling the download. We are installing Tor browser by the terminal. So open your terminal. And here update your Kali Linux using sudo apt update command. Now enter your sudo password. I gave all the commands in the description below. Now you have to type this command to install the Tor network and Tor browser in your Kali Linux. So the command is sudo apt install Tor browser -launcher -y. It will take some time to install the services in your Kali Linux. Now you can open the Tor browser using Tor browser -launcher command. Or you can search in the menu bar. Just type Tor and open the Tor browser. The first time when you open the Tor browser, you will see this window. Here required files are downloading. And after that required services are installed in your Kali Linux. Now here you have to click on Connect to connect with Tor network. You can choose the Always Connect Automatically option here. Please wait while this step establishes a connection to the Tor network. Now our Tor browser is running on Kali Linux. Now you can verify whether our Tor browser is running with Tor network or not. So you can open this official link, check.torproject.org, on your Tor web browser and verify that it is connected or not. So that is it. This is the way how to install the Tor browser in Kali Linux using the terminal. Thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel.